Hello everybody, welcome to the channel. Quick update on the Tannoy Platinum B6. I've been playing them non-stop since I got them yesterday. Just kept them on, and the manual says give it a 24 hours, but I think maybe a week of break-in. But I tell you, these speakers right out of the box will blow you away. They're amazing. The imaging is amazing. They're a very neutral speaker. I mean, I've had more expensive speakers here, and these truly blow them away. I guess every speaker has their own characteristic, and every room makes a difference. But I tell you, I am very impressed with these so far. And I'll tell you guys, upscale audio, they still have them, and you want a nice pair of really good speakers, jump on them. For the price, you can't beat them. Anyways, I'm going to do a quick demo, and I'm going to play a track. It's pretty high dynamic track. It is a big band music, and it's called Night at Tanzania, big band scale, and it is by Kenichi Tosonoda Big Band, a Japanese big band. And here we go, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Well, I could say as well. I could say if that they were selling these speakers for $1,000 a pair or $800 a pair, it would still be a steal. They're well built. They sound amazing. They disappear. Ain't much to say. Wait until they break in a little more. But I tell you, these I'm very impressed with the Tannoy. All right, guys. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you and have a good day.